the ever-capable and always culpable Constable Finstable. Finstable!
Thank you for joining us once again for part 2 and hopefully the conclusion of the special meal for a special someone. Here we go. We tried this moments ago and nearly had a fire. So we're going to start from ground zero. Turn this on once again to the lower side of medium. A little bit of oil, approximately 1 tablespoon. Don't let it get away from you. Then we're going to use the drippings from the meat that we've had in the heater oven for at least 15 or so minutes. Meat flavored drippings. For those of you who cannot eat meat, sorry. Then we're going to add a little bit of beef base. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. About 1 tablespoon's worth, and let it simmer around. And around she goes. Then we're going to add some mushrooms that have been cut up already. And for the sake of training, we've got 1 mushroom over here. We're going to demonstrate. You want the stem side to the bottom and make slow slices to the side of it. That way you know outright you've got good even slices all the way across the board. And we'll add that as well. Then onion. These are 1/8 inch slices. Good to go. Here. We'll add that. Then we're going to put a little bit of butter. As you can see, approximately 3/4 of an inch chunk. Then we're going to add a special ingredient known as special balsamic vinegar. This particular one is a chocolate remedy. This will become what is known as a reduction. Last but not least, we're going to add in this cup with a bit of flour, approximately 2 tablespoons worth, a little bit of red wine. Then you're going to stir it up, get the lumps out. And our meat is finally done. The timing is going to be perfect, ladies and gentlemen, because you have to watch this from start to finish. It should take no longer than 10 minutes. Move your mushrooms and onions around a bit, and around she goes. And we're going to make it even hotter because it's not cooking quickly enough. Then we're going to add our elixir of flour and wine. You may also use arrowroot or some other kind of flour base if you choose not to use flour. Plenty of other flours out there on the market. Oh, yes. It's right on the market. Yes, indeed. We need a little water. Just a bit to help thin it out. Delightful. And of course, once you plate up your meal, you may add salt and pepper to taste. The object is to use less salt and pepper and more of your natural spices. Things you may have lying around the house, for example. We hope that you've enjoyed some of our tutorials, like the one we had a few episodes ago that actually was the tutorial. Yes, yeah. That was good. Mr. Vincenzo was here with us a few days back and he showed us how to make balls. And now we're going to turn off the main heater and show you the plating process. Let that cook out to a slight extent more. And cough a little bit. Now with a rather large serving plate, we've got some of the noodles that Mr. Vincenzo showed us how to make the other day. Just a little at a time. And the special cauliflower we made moments ago. Oh, delightful. Heat is off. This is delightful all the way across the board. Then we're going to get our meat presented in its entirety. And here she comes now. This is the most fabulous chunk. Yes. I believe it's known as a ribeye. Yes, I quite agree. And last but not least, your special gravy over the top. Oh, delightful. If there's any questions, feel free to leave something in the comments section, or the area known as the comments section. Thank you. Once again, the ever capable and always culpable Constable Finstable at your service, signing off. Have a great day. God be with you.
The ever capable and always culpable